In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Google Sheets calendars for the new year. Don't spend hours retyping dates for your 2027 calendar. I'm going to show you the simple 10-second trick that updates your entire Google Sheets calendar with a single change, so you can stop wrestling with dates and let your spreadsheet do the heavy lifting. Start by setting up a dedicated year cell. Think of this as the remote control for your whole calendar. Put the year in a clear spot, like the top of your sheet, and label it year so it's easy to find later. Anytime you change this number, every date in your calendar will follow automatically. This single cell keeps everything consistent and saves you from repetitive edits down the line. Next, in the very first date cell of your calendar, use the date function to anchor the year's starting point. Type a formula that tells Google Sheets, use the year from my year cell, and set the month and day to January 1st. For example, link to your year cell and enter the month as 1 and the day as 1. With that, Google Sheets officially recognizes January 1st of the chosen year as your starting date. It even handles leap years automatically, so February behaves correctly without any extra work from you. From there, filling out the rest of your calendar is effortless. In the next date cell, simply add one day to the cell above it, then drag that formula down to fill as far as your calendar needs. As you pull the fill handle, Sheets will increment each day in sequence, giving you a continuous, accurate timeline of dates. You can extend this through weekly, monthly, or full year layouts, whatever structure you're using. Now for the magic. Change the number in your year cell to 2027 and watch every single date update instantly. Your calendar flips to the new year in a snap. No manual typing required. This is the one-click, 10-second refresh that keeps your schedule current without rebuilding anything. A quick tip. If a cell briefly shows a number instead of a proper date, that's just how spreadsheets store dates under the hood. Your formula is still correct, and you can format the cell as a date if you prefer a specific display style. Also, avoid typing over your date formulas. Keep them intact so the year cell remains in control. Stop working for your spreadsheet and make it work for you. If this helped, follow for more Google Sheets hacks and time-saving tips.